Welcome back to Sevenfold Farm, guys. Today something is happening that we have never had happen on our property. We're having a big tree taken down by somebody else that does limbing and stuff professionally. In the past, needed like the dead trees that wanted taken out. Dad would always just do them. But this one's so big and it's so close to our fence that we decided to have somebody else do it. We went ahead and did like some safety of making sure that the fence is out of the way. So Dad and Miles have been working all morning on getting the fence taken down in that area. But we wanted to repair a fence anyway, so this was like perfect timing. So you guys will get to see what's going on this morning. It's kind of an overcast day, so it's cooler out, but it's finally fall. So welcome back, guys. Here's what's happening today on Sevenfold Farm. Okie dokie. Now, that's off. Quinny.
What?
A little soft?
No.
Okay. Need some place to get rid of that concrete that's in your bucket. Trying to picture a hole someplace that you can dump it in. Go take it down there to the shooting range.
Okay.
To that pile.
Jump it on the pile. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, just to get it out so where it won't ever run the risk of getting mowed over. Yeah. I'm gonna go start putting leaves together, and then when you come back with the tractor, I'm probably just gonna fill you up and have you go dump leaves on one of the brush piles.
Sounds good.
Sounds like he keeps saying ow. Ow, ow.
Are you saying down?
I know.
Stop doing that.
Or out. Out.
Okay, so I don't know if you'll be able to hear me over the roar of the chainsaw and the tractor and all the other commotion, but you can see that he's already taken off a limb, quite a big one, towards the bottom, and then he's all the way up there. So, I mean, he's moving along quite nicely. Looks like he's just gonna limb the tree first before he falls the rest of it.
He's gonna limb everything, and then the tree, he's gonna take the tree out piece by piece. If you've ever seen some of those videos, that's how he's doing it. He's just picking out all the limbs, so it's easier to lay down the tree without all the limbs being in the way.
Pretty much what I just said, but yeah.
No, but she said, like, he's probably gonna take out the limbs, and then he's gonna lay down the tree. I know for a fact that he is, so.
Whatever.
Probably the easiest one to get to, the easiest burn pile to get to without messing with trying to get around this fence and not interfering with what he's doing is just going to be to go to that one out there.
Okay.
Just take your time.
Okay. Easy peasy. Okay. Is that it? It's not on.
I know, but like the gas,
You can, no.
the hydraulics.
The hydraulics, you have to be lowering it. You have to be releasing hydraulic, not raising hydraulic.
Come on.
Come on. Got it? Wait. You listening to me? Wow. Is that it?
Just a second. Go ahead.
Okay, so you get the idea. Pretty much we do this about 7 or 8 more times, taking trips back and forth to the burn pile and getting leaves over there and back. This was just to clear it up and make it look a little bit nicer and make it easier when we go to stretch the fence back for the leaves to just be out of the way. They've made lots of progress. And that's the mess we get to clean up. So yeah, it's moving along quite nicely. Okay, so they're about to take down a big part of the tree, and of course I was inside thawing my hands out. Looks like they already got the top off, but I mean, there's obviously still a big part of it. So. Okay, we will come back in just a minute when they're about to fall it. Looks like they're still prepping before they actually fall it, so we'll come back in just a second. Okay, they're about to pull it down, I think. It looks like, I'll show you guys, he hopped up there, down to his truck, and then he's just gonna cut it and pull it away from our chicken barn, which is nice because we don't want a bunch of crushed chickens. So I'm just gonna stay back here because I don't want to get crushed either. Not that I think this has taken them like an hour and a half, 2 hours to get all those limbs off and then the top cut off too, so not bad. I'm like squinting, it's not even bright out, but I am because it feels bright. So not a bad time at all. I got it done fairly quick. I won't video the whole time he's cutting it down because that'll take a while. So I'll video the start and then I'll show you guys right before he falls it. Here we go. All right, be back in a minute.
Why is the wheel just popped up on the... Why is the wheel just popped up right there?
That's normal.
What are you doing?
Wow.
Oh, both of the back wheels are off. They're hovering.
What's he pulling though?
A post?
That's talent right there.
What?
That's oh wow.
Yeah.
It's talent.
No,
Oh, he's back again.
No, while we're focusing on this, the whole tree falls.
No, I'm watching.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, oh.
It's wiggling.
Oh.
You better make sure it's on.
It is. It's on. It's recording, but it might die. Oh dear. Hurry,
It was
hurry.
wiggling. It was. Oh, here it goes. This is it. This is it. Anchor. Watch. Anchor.
There it goes. There it goes. Oh, no.
Oh my goodness.
Ready, guys? See timber. Maybe. Oh, yeah.
Tim.
Timber.
I
Oh,
was
wow.
right. It did not crush the tape.
Okay, but you still don't get $1. Woo! Okay, you gotta plug your phone. What?
I'm going to look at the big stump to see how big the tree actually was.
Look at the size of that grub, Miles. There's a couple of them in there.
Wow.
Yeah. It looks perfect. Look at that thing. Man, if we had a place to go fishing.
Yeah. Now, Miles, here's where you
Big.